In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Outlook. Archiving is a simple way to clean up your inbox without deleting anything important. When you archive a message, it's moved out of your main inbox and into the archive folder, so you can still find it later through search or by opening that folder. This keeps your inbox focused on what's current while safely storing everything you might need down the road. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mail. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your usual account, then make sure you're in the Mail view with your inbox visible. You'll see your folders on the left and your messages in the middle. Now, there are two easy ways to manually archive. The first is the quickest. Select the email you want to move and press the backspace key on your keyboard. You'll see the message disappear from the inbox, and it's placed in the archive folder for that account. If you need to archive several messages at once, you can select multiple emails before pressing backspace. A quick tip: if you archive something by mistake, you can usually undo right away, and the message will pop back into your inbox. The second method is great when you prefer using your mouse. Right-click on a single message and choose Archive from the menu. Outlook will move that message to your archive folder. This right-click option also works on a whole folder if you're doing a larger cleanup. When you archive a folder, everything inside it is moved out of your main mailbox view and into the archive, which can help you quickly sweep away newsletters or older project threads. Just be aware that moving a lot of messages at once can take a moment, especially if your mailbox is large. After archiving, you can find your messages by opening the archive folder in the left pane of Outlook. You can also search as you normally do. Archived messages show up in search results, so you don't lose access to content you might need later. Keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. Archived emails are kept, not sent to the trash. That's all it takes. Open Outlook, sign in if needed, and either press backspace on selected emails or right-click to choose Archive, even at the folder level. Use these options regularly to keep your inbox clean while keeping your information safe and easy to find.